Hi guys, it's the 29th of March 2020 and today I'm going to be looking at gold, the pound JPY, euro JPY and the euro US dollar for this week. So what we have right now, we have gold. Gold has been pushing bullish after a big bearish drop. We're doing sort of a correction, or we could continue going bullish. What I've identified here, we have some levels that are going to be coming into play. So we recently tapped this level. So what I'm seeing in front of me right now, we have this level here that is acting as resistance, pushing the market down. We also have this area here that has the market at support, which is pushing the market up. So we kind of have right now the market trapped within that range. This is what I'm seeing. If we break bullish, right, if the market goes bullish, scenario one is going to be this. We're going to have the market break above this level, come back to this level, test, and then we're going to go up to the next high. So that is going to give us the opportunity to buy here as the market pushes. The next thing that could happen, scenario two, is that the market could pull up to this level again, one more time like it did here, and reject. And then if we reject here, we're going to at least come back down to this low here right now, which is what we're seeing. And then the third scenario is going to be if the market finally breaks below this level like this, we are going to see the market pull back, reject, and then fall down to this next level I've identified here. Those are the three scenarios that we are going to have on gold playing out this week. So we need to wait to see what the market is going to do, but either way we are going to have some nice opportunities. If we get the fake out here and we get a buy here, then what we are going to see happening is the market is going to push. Let me tell you, that is from here to the top is about 350 pips. To this next high here is about 350 pips of opportunity that we could potentially take advantage of. If we get the market rejecting here and coming back down, this is about 380 pips. And then if we get a sell here, this is about 410 pips. Now remember, as I told you all in some previous videos, the virus, right, crisis in the forex market brings volatility, which is good in a sense for us. The market has woken back up, right? So you find pairs are doing daily trading ranges of 100 and something pips, 200 pips a day, rather than sometimes we are struggling to get 50 pips a day, right? So now because of that, if you trade smart, you can take advantage of those opportunities. So this is what I'm seeing on gold. Let's go to the pound JPY. The pound JPY, you could see that overall we were bearish, right? And this is the forward. Right now we are bullish. But in terms of taking out major levels, these are the levels here that when we take out, we are going to be long-term bullish, or we're going to reject here and continue to fall. So because of that, again, I've identified what the market is currently doing. We are currently going up. There's no doubt about that. There is bullish momentum. So because of that, I'm thinking there's nothing on the left side here that tells me this market is going to stop. So for this week, we should see pound JPY maybe correct like this and then continue going up. But I am thinking we should go up to at least this level or the next level above it here. Once we get up to this area here, if we see rejection, we should then start looking for this market to sell off from here or sell off from the highs up here, at least back down to this level. That is what I'm seeing. Unless something drastic happens, then the market starts taking out these. But within this week, I feel like this is the move that is going to happen. We're going to continue to push up. So you can look for buys until we reach 136.38 area. Once we get up to this area, wait, let the market reject just like it did here once, twice, right? Let the market reject at this area and then we'll be looking to sell. So for this one, our game plan is going to be to buy if it comes down to here and rejects, or if it just continues pushing up and we don't get a trade, we either want to be selling here or here. And our first set of targets going to be this move here, unless we make a new area of support within the range right here. All right, so that's what I'm looking at. Euro JPY on the 4 hour. So let me just switch to the daily for this one to show you all how I got this. So I did a video during the week where basically the markets, you could see that we reacted to this level here that was finding resistance. Every time the market comes up, the market pushes away. We came up here and I said, you know what, this is going to be target 1, target 2, target 3. target 2 was hit and we've had a big pullback since. Alright, so taking that into consideration, this is what happened. Target 1 was hit, we pushed down, we bounced that target 2, and we're now on our way back up. Again, there's nothing here that should stop this market from going up until we reach back up to this high here. So we can push to this high here. Once we come here and we reject, we are going to see the market fall. That's one scenario. The second scenario is, depending on how strong this momentum is, if we break above here, that's when I'm going to be looking to buy this market as the market goes up. But this is the area here, and this area, as you can see from the daily, this area has been holding. Right, we are now back to that area again. So what I'm looking for is potentially on this one some sort of double top, maybe, where the market pushes back up to these highs, rejects. Once we get our rejection, we can look to enter, and we could take the ride back down to target 1 again, or to target 2, depending on how the market is moving, and then that's it for the sell trade. If it is, we have the market, however, breaking above, and we finally break out of this range, the market is going to come back. Once we come back and we get that rejection to the upside here, that's when we want to be buying this market. So basically, we're looking to buy here, we're looking to sell here at this level, and then last but not least for this week, I'm looking at the euro US dollar. Similarly on the 4 hour, you can see that we have been pushing up, we have been correcting. The market came to this level, went up, came back down, rejected, and then has since been going up. So we're basically almost at this level. I'm not seeing anything to stop it. The market should push up to this level. Right? We should see the market push up to this level from here. At this level, again, rejection here. Let's wait to see what the market does. We'd have a sell trade back down to at least this area. If we break this level here, then we need to take into consideration some of these other levels at the top here that could potentially be areas where this market could push to. Alright, so I'm seeing a couple here. We would have, if I am taking that into consideration, this level and this level is going to be the next levels that the market could go after. And again, because of the daily trading ranges, a buy here, this is 100 plus pips. A sell here, this is 188 pips. So that is what's possible in this week for the euro US dollar. Let's see what the market does when the market open again. Be patient, wait for the setups, and then let's see how this week goes, guys. Have a great week, guys. See you all next week.